Guys, welcome to my vlog. So for today's video, we're going to cook mung beans. So magluto tayo guys. We have munggo. Ayan, sinabay ko na yung karne. Ayan, yung liempo, pork liempo. And we have ampalaya here. And malunggay. We have malunggay and sutanghon. We have sutanghon. We need to put that. Ayan, and we have garlic, onion, ginger, and tomatoes. And we have malunggay leaves here. So, let's start guys. Without further ado, let's start our cooking. So, sindihan na natin ang ating palang. Right, like that. And put the oil. Lagyan natin ng konting mantika. Alright. Tayo lang natin siyang uminit guys. And ilagay natin ang ating ingredients. So now we have to put the garlic and the onion. Haluin muna natin siya. Yan, dinamihan ko na. And next the ginger. Lagyan natin ng ginger. Alright. And next would be the tomato. Lagyan natin ang tomato. Kaya muna natin siya guys na medyo baluto. So now, ilagay na natin ang ating munggo at ang ating pork. Atin na siyang igisa. We have pork and munggo here. Marami yan siya guys. Alright. Igisa muna natin siya ng todo. Ayan o. 1 kilo of pork and half kilo of munggo. Or mung beans. So, lagyan natin siya ng konting tubig guys. Okay, lagyan natin ng water from Wawa Dam. Charot. Madami yata. Haluin lang natin siya. And we'll wait until it boils. Right? Ayaw ko sa munggo yung sobrang masabaw. Gusto ko ganyan lang. So, naparami yata yung aking munggo guys. Kalahating kilo. So, I cook this is for lunch and dinner. I put the pork ribs and the munggo. So we'll wait until it simmer guys, and ilagay na natin ang ating sili. As you can see, it's boiling now. So we have chili here, hatiin natin. Yan. So maraming sili kaso ayoko baka maanghang. Bawal. Bawal ang manghang sa inyong abang lingkod. Bawal na, maraming bawal. So maraming pork yan guys. 1 kilong pork yan. Wala kasing pata. So ribs na lang. Pork ribs. Ayan. And then ilagay na natin ang ating ampalaya. We have ampalaya here. Dagdag ng dugo. And we have ampalaya in talong or eggplant. Haluin lang natin siya. Kumulo na naman siya. And we are going to put the pork cubes. So pakuluin lang natin siya guys until maluto yung ating gulay. And next ating ilagay ang malunggay. And we have also here the sutanghon. Let's put the salt guys. Ayan. Kunting salt lang kasi bawal ang salt. Just a little bit of salt and another cubes. That is okay. Alright. As you can see guys, it's really boiling now. And let's check if pwede na yung gulay. Bigas pa siya. Alright. Now it's time to put the glass noodles. We have to put this. Sarap nito, guys. Haluin. Ang daming ano. Look at that, guys. The pork. Sarap ang pork here. Oh. Sarap. And then, hinugasan ko na yung aking dahon ng malunggay. It's time to put the malunggay. Alright, tama na. Ulas lang ako. And haluin natin siya, guys. Oh la la! It's really yummy, guys. The family love this. Munggo overload with pork liempo. It's really yummy, this one. This is my daughter's favorite. Alright, it's already cooked, guys. Ayan, thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy my video, guys. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on my next vlog. Thank you, guys. I hope you cook this also. This kind of munggo beans, ayan, with pork. Ayan, thank you so much, guys, and we'll see you on my next vlog. Bye! Thank you for watching.